All right, just a quick and simple video here about how to edit page content using the Bricks Page Builder on your website. So there are actually two ways to do this. One of them is by, in the WordPress backend, coming to the Pages tab and then selecting Edit with Bricks under one of your pages, and that will take you to the Bricks Builder. But you can also do this when you're logged in as an administrator. You can do this from the front end of your site as well. Just navigate to the page that you're wanting to edit and simply click Edit with Bricks, and it will pull up the Bricks Builder for you. Give it just a second to load here. All right, so then it pulls up this visual editor here. Basically, every item on here will be interactive, so if you want to edit something, you can simply click on it to select it. You can also select elements here from the Structure tab on the right sidebar as well. So, but I'm just going to select this. Let's say I want to change this heading. You'll see I've got this text here, so you can actually type it directly in here, or you can type it over here. So let's say like this is a heading. There we go. I can also click into this description, edit it, and say this is a description. What about these buttons? Let me select this button, and let's call this one Shop Now. And then currently it's not linked anywhere, so I'm going to link it to the shop page. And maybe the Learn More is going to go to the About Us page, just for example. And then let's say that I want to edit the background image back here. So, oops, come back up here to the correct one. So I'm going to select the hero and then go to the Style tab and the background. And then there's this image, so I can click on it and I can select something different from the media library, or I can upload a different image just by dragging and dropping, but I'm going to select this one and insert it instead. And then you can also adjust the overlay, because as you can see, there's a sort of black overlay over this image. This image is bright, but it shows up darker here. So that's because there's a background overlay on it. So let's say I want to change this. Let's go down a little bit so you can see a little bit more of the image there. And the same basic principle applies to editing any of these features. Simply click on an element that you'd like to edit, and the options will show up here on the sidebar, usually either under the Content tab or the Style tab. You'll find all the options you need there. And the most important part is, once you've finished your edits, to come up here and click the Save button to make sure your changes are updated on the front end. And that's about it. Hopefully this is helpful.